Okay, bro. Generally, in any construction project, the life cycle we call it includes the inception stage, and then the planning stage, execution means construction, and then we'll go for operations maintenance, and in between we'll have a handover. It depends upon the project delivery type. Design build we have, the design build we have. Say here we are the owners. We are approaching first a general contractor or an architect. They will be developing the plan, the design intent. For suppose we have this much amount of land, what you want to get built here. Can you do that or not? After that, they will propose this amount will be needed to build the structure. Okay. After that, with that, either we are going to bid or we are giving directly that contract to that person itself. If we are giving directly, that is design build. One only will be planning, designing and constructing. Design build. In between, with this first general contractor inputs, we will go for tendering. If we get any less quote than the earlier thing, then we will go for build. Another person, it is design build. Yeah, then planning will be done and the design development stage will be there. Somebody will be doing this and we have to know who is that, who are the stakeholders involved in this. After the design development, then planning will be happening, which activity should go first, and then if that is clear, then procurement will happen.
EPC.
Yeah. After the procurement, then only the construction begins. It is a traditional process, but here we are including the boom. Before the shovel hitting the ground itself, we are going to develop the model in a virtual environment.
So this will be done in the design phase itself, right?
Yes, it can be done in the design phase itself. It's our preference. It's our preference. It can be the BIM for planning, the BIM for design, BIM for construction. We have multiple things. In this project, I don't know where these people involved with BIM. Generally, people involved with BIM in design stage and in the construction stage to remove the classes and all. Maximum people in India, maximum people are using BIM in terms of class detection and coordination. What happens is, this is a typical process. Say the architect developed his own design, structural engineer developed his own design. Like that, MEPF also will be developing their own design. But the input is the layout, the plan which is given by the architect. People will be developing the design independently, without the BIM. When we say the BIM, they will be coordinating with the plans. They will be developing the plans as well as 3D models. They will be merging the 3D models and they will be developing the federated models. They will perform the class detection between the architecture versus the structure versus the drainage, like that. Then we will be coming to know each and every class which is presented in the virtual construction. Then we have to resolve it. Before going to the site, if we resolve, then it will be super. It takes more time and consumes cost at site, on site. That's why we have here. It's general contractor, which I can say either has to go to in the planning stage or in the design stage or in the execution stage. To get the better results, generally people go for at the design stage itself. If you are comfortable and okay with the BIM in the design stage, then no need in the construction stage, because already everything coordinated, no classes, nothing and all done. So people will hand over to some other people, right? After that handovering people, I will take all the BIM data and all, then they will be implementing it into the facility management, that is operations and maintenance. So far we don't have any. It's better to think up to the construction execution. And we will come to know, with the help of BIM execution plan, we will come to know who is handling that, the number of people involved, which will be happening, who is the head whom we have to contact, what is the project area, who is the builder, who is the contractor, that this everything and all will come to know by BIM execution plan. And if you people want me to talk about more about BIM, then I will bring the international standards for the BIM, ISO 19650. However, we have a tendering owner here.
It will be a bit of both, bro. You giving part of it, getting details from engineer, right? That will be like that.
Yeah.
So, wherein you frame questions to get more details about the project. And also, you also say that what that means.
Yeah, what I am thinking in between is we will be explaining generally what happens in the project with the help of BIM, that this and all. We will frame the questions, how you people coordinated,
Yes.
how that this and all, these type of questions we will frame, and we will ask the available engineers there. Boom.
Yeah.
Very realistic.
That is it. So, it will be a mixture of both. So, first, it is to get their point of view, and you explain what their point of view means.
First, typical traditional construction, how it goes. With the help of BIM, how it goes, that I can do.
Yeah. Okay.
Then, during execution of BIM and all, what the problems they faced, how big the project, how you felt, that this everything and all we can interview them.